Hi guys, welcome back. Today is our abs workout again.
This 10 minutes abs burn workout inclusive of 12 exercises, and we perform 30 seconds per each exercise and no rest in between exercise. Completes the whole workout in 10 minutes.
So the first exercise we're going to do is we lie on the mat. Leg raise. Okay. All right. Now let's get started.
Tell me how closer to you. Tell me how I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make you feel what I do about you. So just tell me how I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayer.
And the next exercise we're going to do is bicycle crunch. So legs and arm with the other opposite side.
You're the only reason I'm free.
Now we move on to the third exercise. So touch your toes and this one touch, toe touch. Okay, let's get started.
You and I run away. You and I be on our way. Pack our bags and take this love to a different place now. Yes, you and I be on our way. I love when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the
Okay,
answer to
and we hold in for 30 seconds of the bow hold. Okay, like the plank like that and holding. Let's get started.
You're the only reason I'm free.
Okay, then we move on to the other side, turning around to the side to side plank. Okay.
You're the only reason, you're the only reason I'm free. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Gotta
Okay,
get it right now.
and we go to the reach high and go under for both sides.
Gotta get it right now.
Side planks,
Yeah, push all the limits
go
with you
up
right now.
and under. Up.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the limits with you right now. Right now, right now. Get it right now, right now, right now. Get it right
Feel that it's burning.
Yeah, push all the limits with you right now.
Done. Move on to the next size. we move on to lie down again and we do a scissors cross for the leg.
Gotta get it right now.
Go.
Yeah, push all the levers with you right now.
Moving up,
Gotta get it right now.
down.
Yeah, push all the levers with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the levers with you right now. Gotta get it right now. Yeah, push all the levers with you right now.
And going back here, and we do a mountain climber. You can go fast or slow. Find your own space. Pace. Like that. And the next exercise we do is donkey kick. Donkey kick back and reach arm. Good. And your kick. Coming back, stop. Kick. We're going to the same just like before, but we reach the arms. Switch, touch your elbow. Now we go to the plank and the side planks, and we're done off this routine. So let's hold it for 30 seconds. If you cannot hold it, the whole knee and hold. Now we're going to the side plank for 30 seconds on each side. Now hold, and your hand just put it by your waist. Go to the other side and finish us the workout. It's all done. Okay. Thank you guys. So I see you next time.